Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing these shepherd hooks. This is for outdoor plants, bird feeders, and bug zappers. This one is up to 60-inch adjustable. Alright, so I got these two different outdoor adjustable shepherd hooks. This one here is great for bird feeders, plants. I actually got this one for a bug zapper. So it just basically tells you it's a plant hangers, lanterns, ornaments. They offer in several different sizes. This one's up to 60 inches. They have 92 inches and up to 76 inches. So these ones here do go inside the ground. So you can see they have little hooks at the bottom. You just push them in the ground. This is super nice. This one just tells you what is included in here. You can adjust it. It does come with several different poles. So you do get two of them. I actually purchased these both for my bug zappers. These are for outdoor bird feeders. Bug zappers is like I said. So here is the other parts to adjust them. They are adjustable depending on what size you pick. You can go anywhere from 60 all the way up to 92 inches. These are the upgraded 5-prong base of a shepherd hooks of an outdoor, which gives a better grip and support in the garden ground. It has a thick iron metal pole, which always keeps the shepherd hooks outdoor upright and stable, so you don't have to worry about them blowing away. They do have a premium silicone hook plug. The hook plug is perfectly designed to preventing water from seeping into the feeder pole, ensuring its long lifespan. It also has an outer surface of the hook is coated with a layer of black waterproof paint, which is an anti-corrosion and anti-oxidation, making the garden hooks more durable. It is classic black color, makes the outdoor a bird feeder perfectly for the garden. It also has these little spring looking things. This is what you'll connect each pipe to adjust it to a higher setting. So you do get these metal little things, and then you get the plastic toppers to make sure that there's no water that gets into the pipe. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out the extra pipes and I'm going to put this together. It is super easy. I'm going to show you how easy I did put this together. I'm just going to do one right now, and then I'll show you what it looks like afterward. So we're going to grab these spring looking things and we're going to slide them in this pipe. If it doesn't fit like this one, the chances are you have it backwards, so you'll have to flip it around. Once you flip it around, you make sure you screw it in really nice and tight before you get this second piece on, because if not, it won't be so tight. It'll have a lot less on the bottom and more on the top. So what you want to do is just screw them all the way in, making sure that it's nice and tight. And then we're going to grab these little springs again and we're going to add it in there. So we have two other more to connect, and then once we get to the top, we are going to connect this little piece up here, which has the hook to put your lantern or your bird zapper. So what you're going to do is take this spring thing, you're going to screw it in there. So you've got the top part, you're going to screw that one in, and on the bottom one what you want to do is screw the two bottoms. So I'm going to go ahead and screw on this one, and then I'll come back once this is screwed in. So you can see now that's already screwed in. Now I'm going to grab the bottom part, I'm going to finish it off, and once I finish it off I'll come back and I'll show you when they're all connected. I just put the top in there, making sure that there's no water that gets in there. Alright, so now we have it all put together. You can see that this is the bottom part, it goes all the way up to the top. This one is up to 72 inches depending on what size you go. So I'm going to go outside. So now I'm outside. I have placed my bug zapper on the hook and it's standing really nice. It is a nice size. I like the fact that it goes into the ground, so I don't have to worry about it blowing or moving anywhere. It stands really nice. My dogs like to jump around it so it doesn't knock anything off. My bug zapper just sits right here, so when we're sitting outside at nighttime, we don't have to worry about any mosquitoes or any flies. It gets right up in there. I like the fact that it looks really nice. It actually matches with my bug zapper. If you're looking for a nice stand for either a bug zapper, plants, or any bird feeder, I would highly recommend checking this one out. This one does give you a pack of two, so you can do two different plants, two bug zappers, or you could do a plant and a bug zapper. I would definitely say check this one out.